Have you ever seen two cats fighting and suddenly they start making weird sounds and strange poses? Those loud hisses, growls, and screeches are actually warning signals. Cats use these sounds to scare the other cat and avoid a real fight if possible. When a cat arches its back, puffs up its fur, and turns sideways, it's trying to make its body look bigger and more intimidating. This behavior helps them protect themselves and their territory. You'll also notice their ears flatten, their tails flick fast, and their eyes lock on the other cat. These are signs that the cat feels threatened or ready to defend itself. Interestingly, many cat fights end without physical contact, because one cat backs off after all the warning signals. So those weird sounds and dramatic poses, they're actually a smart way for cats to avoid serious injury. If your cat ever makes these sounds or poses, watch closely. You might be seeing their natural survival instincts in action. And tell me in the comments, has your cat ever acted like this?